Hello guys, I got one special video for you today. I wanna speak about equipment and space in the kitchen. I see many people on internet, underneath the video, in Facebook group, and they are like, I can't cook, find any recipes at home. I'm not able to do Michelin star techniques because I don't have equipment. I don't have sous vide machine, I don't have blast freezer, I don't have dehydrator. So what can I do? Can you help me? And most of the time, I know the equipment is not the biggest problem. And the same deal is it with space. You don't need that much space as you think. I saw many Michelin star restaurants with a super small kitchens, with 6 or 7 chefs inside, and they are still able to do it. Because they know how to do. It's not about space or equipment, it's because they are good chefs. You don't need things like dehydrator, sous vide machine, Pacojet, expensive blenders to cook fine dining dishes at home. And I can guarantee you, even if you get all this equipment, your dishes will not improve. You need just basic things like pan, pot, knife, strainer, maybe peeler, stove with the oven, and that's it. So if you have all this equipment and you're still not able to cook fine dining dishes at home, it's not problem of the equipment, but your cooking skills. You don't know how to create or adjust recipes for your kitchen or for your situation. Most of the amateurs just take the recipe and try to replicate it at home. And if they don't have any equipment, what's in the recipe, they think they're not able to do it, but that's not true. Many things in the cooking you can do different ways. You can cook different ways with different techniques and still end up with the same thing. So if you learn to cook really properly, you don't gonna care about any equipment because you still use what you have and cook something delicious. So stop sabotaging yourself with excuses like this and start to work hard on yourself, because otherwise you're never gonna really improve. I'm sorry for a little bit of real talk today, but I think it's really important to understand this, because otherwise you're never gonna grow. So I wish you the luck, and if you would like me to personally help you with your cooking and plating skills, you can apply for my online coaching on my website, and I'm gonna make personal plan for you. That's everything for today, guys, and I see you soon.